Hey guys, Jeff the Nature Guy. I mean, really, do I even have to say anything else? Look how cute this is. This is our newest animal. His name is Maxwell, and he's called a hedgehog. In fact, he's a hoglet because he's still young. He's only about 9 months old, so still a baby. And look at how cute that little face is. Now, these hedgehogs are actually found in Africa. There's a couple species found in Europe as well. And what's so cool, and you probably notice about them, are all these quills. And a typical hedgehog has about 5,000 to 6,000 quills on their body, but they're a little bit different than a porcupine because they can't release their quills. So you know how a porcupine, you can get stuck with a porcupine quill and they get stuck in your face. Well, this guy can't do that. They're actually stuck to his body. But obviously, it's a pretty good self-defense mechanism because when this guy's upset or scared or he's worried about something eating him, he just rolls up into a ball, sticks those spikes straight up, and not many things want to eat him. Unfortunately, though, there are a few animals that have learned how to eat them, birds of prey, and get this, fox have actually learned how to pee on these guys, and what happens is they do that, and these guys go, gross, and they open up to wash themselves off, and boom, the fox goes in. It's gross, but it's a cool thing that the fox actually does to eat these tasty little morsels. But we're not going to talk about that anymore. We're going to talk about how cool these animals are. They are called insectivores, which means they eat primarily bugs and insects, kind of a neat thing, and they, of course, eat that for protein, makes them nice and strong. The other thing about them is they do this really weird thing called anointing. And a lot of people don't really know what it is. In fact, there's a lot of mystery about it in science. Basically what they do is if they smell something that's different to them, that they really like, they're going to start smelling it. And then they're going to start foaming at the mouth. And it looks like they have rabies. It comes out of their mouth. It's crazy. And what they do is they take that foam and then they rub it on their spikes or on their spines. And what's really crazy is that we think that he's doing that to put that new smell on his spikes or on his spines, so of course it masks the smell of him. But other people also think that maybe they have some poison in their spit, and that by doing that it puts poison on their spines and then causes an irritation if he does poke you. A lot of people in debate about that. So kind of a cool thing. But this little guy is here at the zoo. He is not on public display right now, but you can actually have him at your birthday party eventually. We're going to take him out into the community, and so you'll see him quite a bit. And just a cute little bugger. Look at those little eyeballs. Notice how they poke out of his head? That's because they are more of a nocturnal animal, so of course the farther your eye comes out, the better you can see when it's dark outside. Those ears, of course, help him hear really well, and last but not least, that big giant nose is what helps him smell those bugs so well. So cool little animal, and hopefully you guys get to see him real soon. So again, Maxwell, the African hedgehog, what a cutie he is. Until next time, guys, I am Jeff the Nature Guy here at Zoo Montana.